Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero for faster bookkeeping workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Xero, which is www.xero.com. Once the site loads, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a new page with different login options. If you have multiple organizations, select the one you want to access from the drop-down menu. Now, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. If you wish to stay logged in for future sessions, check the Remember Me option. Once all fields are filled, click on the Login button. You may be prompted with a two-factor authentication screen if you have enabled this feature. Check your authentication app or email for a verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Verify. After verification, you will be taken to your Xero dashboard. Once on your dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout for quicker navigation. For added efficiency, consider customizing your dashboard widgets. Explore the various features available through the menu on the left side. Take advantage of Xero's mobile app for access on the go. Regularly check for updates on new features that can enhance your workflow. Now that you are logged in, you are ready to streamline your bookkeeping tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.